As the weather gets warmer, I somehow find my way back to Japan. The air feels lighter, the streets a bit more familiar. It kind of feels like this place remembers me somehow. Everything's slower this time, in the best way possible. We didn't really plan anything. No checklist, no rush, just slow mornings, quiet moments, and walking wherever we feel like going. It's not about ticking off places, it's just about being here, soaking in the little things, letting each day happen, one moment at a time. And so, the journey this time begins in Osaka, a city that's always buzzing, yet somehow feels like a warm welcome.
All unsolved are Amsterdam she hides. Water yards that how.
Jadi guys, kita baru sampai dari airport. Kita belum bisa masuk ke hotel karena hotel kita tuh baru bisa diakses jam 1 siang ya kalau misalnya.
Iya.
Nah jadi sambil nunggu waktu, kita habis taruh koper di coin locker. Sekarang kita mau jalan ke Osaka Castle. Lihat, David sendiri yang pakai celana pendek.
Hebat banget gue nih.
Itu tuh.
Gue biasanya nggak tahan dingin. Hari ini gue nih.
Nih kita ngikutin aja nih. Ketawa sih.
Gue belum cek.
Iya lu nge-vlog ya?
Iya, bener terus. I think this day might be one of the best days I've ever had. I didn't catch the full bloom of the sakura, but somehow it didn't matter. What I saw was still so breathtaking. That kind of real life beauty that stops you in your tracks. The kind that no camera can ever really capture. I almost cried, honestly, just standing there in the middle of something so fleeting, yet so full of life. It might be nothing to some people, but to me it's everything. My first time seeing this, and I don't think I'll ever forget this. You will always gonna be my love, Itsuka.
I remember to love you taught me how you are always gonna be the one in my life.
Ada kaki siapa tuh di Jepang kan?
Ih, kaki siapa itu?
Oke guys, jadi kita ini sekarang lagi di Osaka Castle, yaitu Kastil Osaka. Ini adalah benteng yang dulunya ditempati oleh Hideyoshi Toyotomi.
Ini serius?
Serius.
Oh ya, okay.
Yaitu tangan kanan dari Nobunaga Oda. Dan banyak sekali cerita-cerita horor mengenai benteng di sini. Kalau mau tahu lebih detail lagi, follow channel gua di Nul Alexander.
Lagi jalan-jalan di Osaka Castle, melihat-lihat
Kayak kemasan pasir gitu, tau gak? Beberapa butir suka kerincing suka mau gini-gini gak keluar apa-apa gitu.
You will always gonna be
Bisa gak sih dia tuh diem? Gue tuh muak banget anjing dengerin dia nyanyi lagu itu tuh. Sumpah dah, gede banget gue.
Hai guys, kita lagi di Osaka Castle guys.
Hihi.
Asik. Noel. Ya. Kakinya kurang panjang. Lihat ya, lihat.
Indahnya pemandangan. Kayak piknik di sana seru deh. Kenapa gue harus ke tempat-tempat romantisnya sama lu mulu?
Gue lagi rekam.
Gila banget anjing tuh. Capek banget gua.
Her other hands in mine. Oh, silhouette, she's growing tall and fine. She's got my back, she'll follow me down every street, no matter where I cry.
Selamat pagi. Gue hari ini pakai baju yang tipis doang. Hari ini kayak nggak terlalu dingin. Kelihatan nggak? Hari ini lumayan gloomy. Kayak bakal hujan sih kayak ntar. Outfit gue pakai ini celana sweatpants gitu, terus meja garis-garis gitu sih. Nah ini udah hujan. Lihat nih, hujan di Jepang. Tapi harusnya sih nggak lama ya. Soalnya gue tadi cek weather app. Tapi weather app tuh suka nggak 100% bener juga sih. Cuman semoga. Gue pengen pakai sepatu pink hari ini. Tapi kayak kalau gue pakai sepatu pink lumayan sakit hati kalau kotor. Kita habis beli payung tadi. Mana payung lo? Kita mau ini ke daerah Nakasakicho. Kita mau coba ke kafe-kafe lucu gitu.
Benar, dan banyak vintage store juga harusnya.
Asik. Ini nih traveling guide. Apa sih kalau yang biasanya di sana-sana hidden gem? Iya. Hidden gem di Osaka. Let's go.
Udah panas lagi.
Iya. Gue labil banget udara di sini tuh dari kemarin. Tadi panas banget, terus tiba-tiba hujan, terus sekarang panas lagi.
Gua aja 15 menit lagi.
Jangan dong, jangan hujan. Mendingan panas.
Kau di maksud gua.
Wow,
Bagus nih. Sekarang kan hujan-hujan gitu.
jatuh.
Busi.
Ini aslinya lu kayak gini dia suka marah-marah.
Bisa gue bimbel ini sumpah demi Allah.
Ini apa? Thrift store. Sekarang kita mau nyari Doraemon di taman ini.
Bagus banget.
Kita lagi di tempat lucu. Ada kayak burung hantunya gitu di dalam. Ada best stuff. Oh, ini best stuffnya nih. Lagi tiduran dia. Best stuffnya. Ini nih, bobo dia. Sama siang. Asik. Chow manly. Minumnya matcha. Matcha Ci.
Wah enak banget.
Fuck.
So good bro. W. W in the shot.
Lagi di apa ini namanya? Spot.
Wah, hidden gem lah ini.
Hidden Gem. Ini daerah kalau kalian turun di
Mampus lu.
stasiun
Nagasaki Cho.
Blok M, kalian lurus dikit pasti ketemu Blok M Square. Nah, deket dari Blok M Square kurang lebih. Nah, ini dia. Kayak gini jalanannya. Pasti nemu 5 menit lah. 5 menit dari Blok M. Sekarang kita mau ke apa namanya? Kita mau ke Shinsaibashi ya. Amerikamura. Mau thrifting gitu-gitu, belanja. Very beautiful day. Gua beli ini warna pink. Gua nggak pakai ini hebat. Gua lagi pakai gel rambut. Gua udah total 3 kali makan ramen. Makan yang mie-mian gitu. Padahal baru 2 hari. We made a plan to go to Nara, so we did on the 3rd day. Nara was one of the few places we actually put on the list. It was my first time going. I had seen the photos, the deer, the temples, but it still felt like a place I needed to feel for myself. What I didn't plan for was the heat. The sun came out strong that day, and I definitely wore the wrong outfit. Not unbearable, but just one of those days where you smile through the sweat and pretend that it's all fine. It was also a busy day at Nara too. A lot of people had the same idea as us. The paths were full, groups of students, tourists, families, everyone drifting through the same streets under the same sky, chasing whatever was left of the season. And the sakura, they were almost gone. A few soft petals still clinging to the branches, the rest already scattered like confetti on the ground. It wasn't the full bloom I had imagined, but there was something beautiful in the way it was ending. And then, the deer. They wandered with a quiet confidence, not tamed, not wild, just deeply part of this place, moving through people with ease, like they've seen it all before. Some bowed gently, almost as if returning a gesture of trust. Others stepped closer with curiosity, drawn by the scent of crackers and the kindness of strangers. There was no rush in them, no fear, just presence. It was lovely. We didn't do much after that, just walked, followed the paths, let the day take its time, stopped under the fading trees, let the breeze carry what was left of spring across our shoulders. And even with the crowds, there were moments that felt still, that reminded me to breathe slower, to pay attention, to be there not just in place but in presence. And maybe that's what I'll remember most about Nara. Not a checklist, not a perfect photo, but the feeling of being somewhere that asked for nothing from us, except to walk gently and to look closely.
Pagi
Gue lagi milih outfit. Gue bingung antara gue pakai ini bininya atau yang ini. Kayak ini deh. Coba. Ini kayak this is giving fun and playful, very colorful. I think I'm gonna go with the pink one. Gue udah 2 kali bolak-balik ke apart karena gue lupa ambil ini kartu Suica gue, sama gue lupa bawa apa tadi, SD card buat ini. Nul udah duluan ke Family Mart. Kita mau makan siang dulu baru sekalian ke hari ini ke Kobe. So. Payungnya rusak.
Kita mau beli basil, beli kare, beli tomat, lalu kita beli labu, kita beli apel, kita beli tomat.
Mual gue. Kok mual sih? Karena ketinggian.
Gue tau ketinggian.
Gue juga takut.
Bisa lu gak mual sih?
Gue rekam semua nih. Itu ya, kalian tahu dulu penakut apa?
Wah, kayak lu gak terlalu takut ketinggian, Devin, dibanding gue sama bapak gue.
Oh iyalah mungkin.
Kayak lu cuma sekedar kayak
Tapi kalau di gunung gue takut.
soalnya gerak ini kayak terasa gerak kayak gitu loh.
Kalau di gunung gue takut. Kalau ini enggak.
Kok bisa sih? Ini serem loh anjing.
Gue mau setel lagu Garden judulnya.
Gue bisa kurang.
Udah mau nyampe dong?
Nyata.
綺麗な時間だけ追いかけて尽きるまで花は咲いて別れあなたに心奪われそれでも守り続けたくて私のガーデン果てるまで
Lu artis ya? Gila loh. Lu rekam deh? Enggak, ada dikit-dikit. Bayangin loh, kita di Kobe lagi kedinginan sama Gigil, ada yang minta foto. Ih, artis nih orang.
Dia juga di Nara.
Enggak ada. Gila.
Ada, gue ada videonya.
Enggak, gilanya artis. Asik.
Beginilah.
What a goat. Why do me and bro always end up on the most romantic shit?
Motion.
Too much motion. Gila banget ini. Tapi hujannya makin kencang.
Enak nih histeria.
Ada baunya?
Ada beneran, lu kira gue bercanda. Tulisannya enak beneran, coba lu cium. Beneran, Vin, gak bercanda. Beneran segar baunya.
Oh iya?
Gue udah bilang, lu ngejek-ngejek gue beneran tapi.
Gue gak ada ngejek ya. Kasih lihat. Gak ada.
Ada.
Coba lagi.
Udah gak keluar.
Iya, udah gak dingin.
Kita udah turun soalnya semakin tinggi puncaknya bakal semakin tinggi suhu.
Ini gue masih. Sabar.
Iya, gue. Oh iya. Coba 1, 2, 3. Nggak kelihatan. Coba lagi.
Udah. Kasian dah ini orang yang lihat kayak kampungan banget, gak pernah lihat gituan.
Kan ada yang lihat makanya.
Ya ini yang video lihat.
In a way, I'm figuring it out at my own pace. Just a girl who overthinks about proportions or her waist, the creases on her face, they like no other, and just another bad day. All I wanna do is find the words to make it up to you, making all the same mistakes. I guess there's still a lot to prove, and there's something I can't say in an ordinary way. They like no other, and just another bad day. Waking up to hardly recognizing my own face, just a stranger in the mirror thinking, oh what a shame.
Gue bilang jelek.
Lihat di rambut gua. Kenceng banget anginnya.
Rambut gila. Di sini masih mending, tadi itu apa dah? Rambut bodoh.
Lu seneng gak di sini?
Seneng banget gua. Bahagia. Bagus banget daerah sini, gila. Unreal.
Padahal kita di sini karena murah awalnya.
Bonus-bonusnya itu gila banget.
Bonus-bonusnya hebat.
Hebat banget.
Hebat banget bonus-bonusnya.
Pagi enak, malam enak. Unreal.
Walaupun kenceng banget anginnya. Coba lihat, kalian lihat ini. Ini turun stasiun kayak gini nih bentukannya. Hari ini kita mau ke Arashiyama. Dulu udah pernah, gue baru pertama kali mau ke sana. Jadi kita lihat aja.
Tapi lu nih gak gini. Ini gue kejar dah.
Tapi gue nih.
Tapi ini gacor banget anjing.
Belilah. Berapa? Berapa
tulisannya?
Itu 3.250. 300.000.
Gacor banget. What do you think?
Sama kayak dagu waktu itu. Mau?
Enggak.
Satu lagi.
Kita lagi cari makan guys, makanya gue nggak mau. Gue mau makan dalam kondisi lapar.
Sek. Lihat tuh depan bagus banget view-nya guys. Ada orang sepedaan. Ada Noel, mobil. Ya beginilah Arashiyama. Makan lagi. Ini permainan ikan-ikan. Kasih tahu dong ke Robert nama makanannya apa. Nggak tahu ya. Taiyaki. Taiyaki desu. Oishi desu. Oishi desu. Stop. Udah beli 3 kali aja. Tiga sama dango. Bagus nggak scarf dari cewek gua? Bagus. Oishi desu. Wow, kencang banget anginnya. Tapi tak apa karena aku punya ikan-ikanku. Oishi desu. Ini bagus banget.
눈을 감고 내가 하는 이야기를 잘 들어봐. 나의 얘기가 끝나기 전에 너는 꿈을 꿀 거야. Little star tonight. 밤새 내가 지켜줄 거야. 처음 너를 만났을 땐 정말 눈이 부셨어. 너의 미소를 처음 봤을 땐 세상을 다 가졌어. Little star tonight. 밤새 내가 지켜줄 거야. 내 품에 안긴 채 곤히 잠든 널 보면 나는 잠시도 눈을 뗄 수 없어. 이렇게 예쁜데 숨이 멎을 것 같아. 내가 어떻게 잠들 수 있겠니. 나의 사랑.
tes di sini. Taiyaki. Apa dari Fami bersama Deru Binsan.
Ini di coba kita lihat namanya. Ini kayak di food court gitu. Gimana?
Karena cukup affordable ketimbang makanan-makanan kalau kita pengen tempat-tempat yang kayak langsung tempat makan gitu. Jadi kita ambil food hall aja.
Oh ini nih namanya. Gue akan coba ya.
BTW makanan gua sama Delvin sama yang menurut gua.
Kita aja beda pesen. Sambang.
Hey, nggak boleh ngomong sambang.
Emang ada artinya?
Nggak ada. Gua mau tunjukin views kita. Anjay.
Oh iya, kalian harus lihat face dulu.
Saya lihat itu.
Pohon gini kan. Yo. Gila ada makanan nih kayak gini nih.
Dari formnya Kirosana. Oh jago nih ngitim kita, Vin.
Kita. Ini gara-gara tinggalnya di samping stadiumnya, dia langsung suka.
Jadi apa lu?
Mie-nya enak sih lumayan.
Jeff United gua nggak tahu. Omiya Jubilo Iwata Imabari. Tunjukin skin lu abis pakai cheat code.
Iya.
Kasih tahu ke mereka dari pakai apa.
Gua beli masker retinol gitu
Di Jepang.
pas di mana?
Udah kemarin tuh
Nara.
di Kobe.
Nara.
Super Retino tulisannya.
Iya, terus gue nyoba, ini muka gue jadi halus banget. Gue bakal beli banyak-banyak sebelum pulang.
Super Retino lagi.
Selamat siang. Kita sekarang jalan-jalan. Ini kita mau kemana?
Sanzanin.
Nah, Ghibli.
Malah lu gitu.
Tapi panas banget man hari ini man. Dia pakai, gue hari ini cuma pakai gini doang. Panas banget. Tadi makanannya enak, cuman gue rada nyesel nggak pesen yang besar. Karena gue masih lapar ternyata. Gue akan coba. Enak banget.
Hah? Ini apa aja?
Enak banget, manis. Ini coba aja.
Kenapa? Pisang ini aja.
Enak kan?
What the fuck?
Enak banget.
Apanya aja?
Enak kan?
Iya. Bakar.
Ini jalan apa gue nggak tahu jalan apa, tapi ini enak banget.
Holy shit. Aku beli ya?
Yuk. Gue beli deh satu. Men used to go to war. Now they drink matcha.
Men used to go to war. Now they wear crop top. Nih. Men used to go to war. Now they drink matcha, milk tea, and wear a crop tee. Fucking hell.
Oke. Oke dah. Darwin.
참 무서운 밤인걸. 자고 나면 괜찮아질 거야. 하루는 더 어른이 될 테니 무덤덤한 그 눈빛을 기억해. 어릴 적 본 그들의 눈을 우린 조금씩 닮아야 할 거야.
If you had told me back in 2023 that by 2025 I would have gone to Japan twice, I probably would have laughed. I wouldn't have believed you, but here we are. It's real. The first time I came here, it was my first big trip alone. No family, just me, my friends, and a lot of feelings I didn't quite know how to hold yet. Something about that trip changed me. It made me realize how short life really is, how unpredictable. There's always a chance we don't make it to 30. No one knows. A man can only hope, pray, and keep going. Since then, I made a quiet promise to myself to try, to give everything I have, to chase after the version of me I know I could be if I just had enough time and enough courage. I told myself I would work hard with everything in me just to get a little closer. And maybe, just maybe, if I'm lucky, I would get to see more of the world. More corners, more colors. Never in my wildest dreams did I think that by 23 I would be learning a third language. Here I am, Japanese. I fell in love with this place so much that I just wanted to understand it better. I don't know if I'll ever be fluent, but I'm trying. Because trying matters. Because that younger version of me, the 15-year-old who felt small, scared, unsure, he deserves to see me try. I think deep down, a lot of what I do is for him. For the kid who once didn't know if life would ever get brighter. I want to make him proud. I want to make him feel like we made it. And honestly, I wouldn't have made it here the first time around without Noel. So grateful to be able to call him my brother. If it wasn't for him, I probably wouldn't have come to Japan the first time around. And I'm so glad I did. And to Japan, you'll always be something special to me. You showed me how big the world is and also how beautiful it is to feel small in it sometimes. Thank you for the memories, for the quiet mornings, for the language I'm still trying to understand, and for everything. This isn't a goodbye, just see you again.